They say into your earth, romance can.
Alright guys, we got these spark plugs in, getting the car set up. I ran it a couple times on the dyno, tried to get some of the adaptives to adjust to the new spark plugs. Picked up about 10 horsepower in one pole. We're gonna go through here and see if we can pick up some more power after I let the car cool down. Adapters took about 5 pulls to get it adjusted. So this is gonna be the last pull for the night. This is again, front mount intercooler, intakes, ported primary cats, secondary cat deletes, muffler deletes, and we're running the plug and play box on the 91 octane setting. And we're running 92 octane inside the car. We put the HKS plugs in, the HKS 40s. You're gonna see, the reason we put the HKS 40s in is I was suffering from some blowout in the upper RPMs and when it made gear changes, spark blowout. So if you're interested in what spark blowout, go Google it, take a look, see what it does. We're going to go through and get a couple pulls made here. Manual mode, and we're gonna make one pull, see if we can pick up more than 10 horsepower tonight after I let it cool down. Let's see what we can make happen. Well, after the cool down, we let everything happen. Peak numbers for horsepower stayed the same. We did pick up what looks like another 4 foot-pounds of torque. So that's an increase of 13 foot-pounds of torque so far. I'm gonna pan over here to the dyno screen so you can see what we got going on. So there you can see the previous pull was 425, 471, that was without the HKS plugs. The pull 42, so we have about 10 pulls in there, 9 pulls worth of adaptives. Actually, excuse me, make that 8 pulls worth of adaptives. Run 41. Run 41 is 435 horsepower, 480 foot-pounds of torque. The pull we just made was 435 horsepower, 484 foot-pounds of torque. I'm gonna pan across this dyno chart. These are the different curves. Blue, of course, being the lower number, and red and green being similar numbers. As you can see, pretty much power all the way across the curve.